So this is the unit that I'm going to test its top speed. As you can see, it has several accessories installed already. The back portion has a customized carrier for bigger space, especially if you have more things to put inside your motorcycle. It also has a customized slider to prevent damage to the exhaust pipe. I've also installed a crash guard, two auxiliary lights, and a customized windshield to block yourself from too much air drag when you're driving at higher speeds. Basically, all these accessories prevent you from reaching the maximum speed of your motorcycle.